Okay, this tutorial is for learning how to do lighting effects in Photoshop using the filter render gallery. So first thing is to copy your layer and you do that by Command J. That way we can always come back to the original. Go to the filter menu and down to render, choose lighting effects. So Photoshop CS6 got a major overhaul when it comes to the lighting effects gallery. This is really cool. Previously you had a little window with a dinky tiny preview, but now it actually previews live in the window. So there is a light on here. It is a point light. These are the settings that are applied to it. As far as color, intensity, you can colorize it, change the exposure. You can grab and move any of these sliders to see how it's affected and just kind of have fun with those. There's only one light. You can add multiple lights and change each one. When you click on it, it's kind of like a layer. It becomes active. You can click on this center point and move the light around. I actually do want it right over that window because that's where we're trying to create some more focus. I can change how big this light is, or the extent that it affects, by clicking and dragging that outside little layer in. If I wanted to really bring it in just to that one window, that would be a really good way to do it. So this is very dramatic lighting now. There's some other types of lights that this has. So actually I could change this point to a spot or to an infinite, and each of those have different settings that you can have fun and play with. There are also presets that have one or more lights set up already that you can load and affect, and some of those are a little more power heavy. It takes your computer a little longer to think about it, which is why I'm not going to go through all of them. I just wanted to show you that those are there. And that's pretty much it for the lighting gallery. When you're done with this effect, you can't really come back and edit it. So make sure you like what it looks like and then click OK. So your computer will think about it for a second and then give you your final render, and there you go. There's the dramatic lighting on that one window. It looks like it's nighttime with the spotlight on it versus what we used to have, a daylight shot. We've completely changed the feel of this with a single render.